It is so nice and cool in my house. We have reached, I think it's going to be 103 today, and it's going to be in the 100-degree plus temperatures from now on. So let me show you what's going on. Let's go outside here real quick. Wanted to show you we've emptied this pallet here, and this is another pallet of garden soil to be carried back. Matt has been really helping me. Let me show you what's going on in my garden. Right now, my hibiscus are all in bloom. All of these bushes here, all the way down, are hibiscus. They get a real pretty little flower on them, don't they? And then my tree, and I do not know what kind of tree this is. Let me show you the leaves. If any of you know, leave me a comment. So there's my hibiscus. My front yard, again, is full of weeds, and it's growing like crazy. It needs to be trimmed. But my bougainvillea are really sprouting. And then the sage, the purple sage, was just beautiful. It's pretty much done. But all of these bushes here are the purple sage, and it was just a gorgeous sea of lavenders in here. This little tree here was not doing well. I got to trim it up from the bottom down here. But it finally sprouted. Again, I don't know what kind of tree that is. So let me take you in the backyard and show you what's going on there. It's just so hot. Okay, let's go out back. So I've been trying to get my garden ready. I won't plant probably until July or August, but I'm doing the raised garden beds. And I don't know a whole heck of a lot about gardening, but I found these books, Extreme Gardening, How to Grow in the Hostile Desert. And this is Dave, I think his name, Dave Owens, the garden guy. He's featured a lot here on Good Morning Arizona. So I'm expecting another one of his books to come in. And then I got this book here. It's Southwest Fruit and Vegetable Gardening. And a lot of really good information here. When to plant, what to plant during, the seasons. So let me take you on a little peek around the yard. Let you see what is going on. So I have had to do more watering. Right now, my trees and bushes are not hooked up to the drip system. We're going to get that done. I got all the supplies. So my trees out here are doing okay. This is the one over in there. I was having problems with the fruitless plum, but it has really come back. And like I say, I just have to really watch my watering right now. My Cape Cod honeysuckle bushes are all doing quite well. Can't wait for them to grow fence heights here. The hummingbird feeder, I love watching those little hummingbirds come every morning. And then I hung up this finch feeder, and I love watching them we have the little house finches. Sorry, it's garbage day. You might hear the garbage truck. So I think I counted 15 house finches. They're such pretty little birds. They have the bright red heads and the bright red breast, scarlet red. And then I did see a yellow one in the yard too the other day. So this is what I have been doing. It has taken me a long time. I ordered all these galvanized raised beds, and I think I have 5. So I've been working on them. I got them all put together, and they were not hard to do, but so many screws and nuts and bolts, and have been filling them up with this all-natural garden soil. And this is specifically for flowers and vegetables. So this is okay. I need to add a little bit more dirt. And then I got worm castings to add to all my dirt. And if you don't know what worm castings are, it's basically worm poop. So Matt carried 1 pallet in today of the dirt. Now, I'll finish this one up today, but it's about noon now. It's really hot, so I'll let this shade before I do that. Then in these really big bins, these are, I think can't remember if they're 8 or 10 feet long by 4 foot wide by 2 feet tall. So those are going to be great for deep root gardening, and sweet potatoes does well here. Everything really grows well in the desert as long as you know the times to plant. So like I say, I will be planting probably late July, starting in August. I'll add more. I want to get a shade cover that I'm going to be building for this entire area. And wow, it's I don't know, maybe 25, 30 foot long. So I really need to add some shade out here. So that has been what I've been doing lately, keeping me busy. And like I say, I'm just gonna, try it. I've never done gardening to this extent before. So it's going to be trial and error. But I really am excited to get it going. The little finches, they usually come first thing in the morning. And then I have doves that sit up there, and they try to eat off this feeder too, but it's specifically designed for finches. So it has a short, this long little platform for them. But the doves are clever, and they have figured out that if they slide down and land on that little post, they'll reach their necks right around and feed. So I've got some curtains hanging up here, and it does help shade the patio. But that is a temporary fix. So that's what I've been up to, and I will, keep you informed about when I plant, what I plant, and, what happens. All right, you guys. I'll see you soon. Love you guys. Bye for now.